As marijuana sellers and law enforcement teaming up on an important issue.
And these are legal marijuana sellers, and they, along with the Pima County Sheriff's Department, want to be sure no one ingests marijuana and drives. 9 News Side's Craig Smith reports.
With the weekend coming on, driving under the influence is always an extra concern. Well, now the Pima County Sheriff's Department and members of the legal marijuana industry are reminding you driving under the influence can also mean the influence of marijuana. An arrest for driving under the influence does not depend on what you are under the influence of. It could be alcohol, a medication legally prescribed for you, or marijuana. The issue is, did whatever you ingest affect your ability to drive safely?
Marijuana is an impairing substance. It affects people's perception of time and distance, which are very important things when someone is driving and operating a motor vehicle.
Tests similar to the field sobriety test for alcohol can help deputies determine if marijuana made someone too high to drive.
Checking a person's eyes, checking their balance and coordination are all applicable as well. But other signs that we look for would be things like dilated pupils, muscle tremors.
The alcohol industry urges its customers to consume responsibly and not drink and drive. Now members of the legal marijuana industry have a similar message.
And we just want to make sure that everyone is safe, everyone gets home, everyone comes back and visits us again.
And that industry is timing that message now because it's almost April 20th, 420 in marijuana culture.
It's kind of like our industry's Christmas. It's a tradition that's been around the industry for a while. The biggest sales of the year usually happen that day.
And they expect high consumption to follow. There's debate over why 420 is a special day to marijuana users, but it is. And it's a day when marijuana sellers and law enforcement want to be sure those users do not get behind the wheel. Craig Smith, KGUN 9 on your side.